Back to Operation RV. So I'm glad you stopped back by. Today it is hot. It's very, very hot outside. I want to say with index it's like 104, and I'm sitting here at the side of Igloo here, and you can see the end card there where I did my heater box restoration, and that's good for winter days, but I still don't have air conditioning. I don't. It's hot, so I want to be rolling around and, you know, be cool. I'm already soaking through my shirt with just some stuff that I've been doing out today, but we need to get some air conditioning in here. So this is a DIY how-to. If you got a cooler, you got a fan and a bag of ice, I'm going to show you what we need to do to these cars, RVs, your travel trailers, fifth wheels, even your home if your power goes out. This will kind of get you through to make the temperature go down a little bit. So let's get building. Alright, so here's everything that we're going to be doing in our build today. This is a 48 quart Igloo Laguna. This is the blue-white cooler here. We got a couple 90s, and we have some piping here. And we got a roll of duct tape, and we got a mainstays clip-on fan. So let me go ahead and show you what we got inside the cooler, and to give you a demonstration on what we're about to do. All right, this one does not have the cork, which is kind of what you want, especially being in a car. You don't want any leaks. This is going to be the lid portion. So let me go ahead and show you what we're going to be doing to get our homemade DIY air conditioner built up. And we're going to bring the temperature down. So I'll go ahead and put the fan here and the cooler. I'll go ahead and drop it down in the description. And if you click on that, take you right over to Amazon, get you checked out. These will be shipped right to your home. All right, just gonna do a quick unboxing here. Show you what we got. And this is a cool little click-on fan. It is a two-way speed. You know, this isn't, you know, one of those like hurricane type fans out there. This is kind of like what you'd probably just put on the side of your bed, clip on your visor in your car, maybe in your office, something like that. So it's just two speeds. So that's everything that comes in the box. All right. It does come with a little template, or at least I don't believe it's a template. It's probably a fan guard, but I'm going to use it for a template. So what I'm going to do is we're going to do away with the clip for now. The spot that I plan on using, this fan is going to be here in the center. And the reason being is because of this right here. So we got a bunch of little indentions. Not that would even matter, but I think it's going to be better here for in the center. So I'm going to put the pipes here. So I'm just going to use this and a marker, and I'm going to trace around it and cut it out. All right, just going to use a razor knife, and I'm going to trace this around and get it cut out. Okay, the holes are now cut out, and let's go ahead and show you what we need to do. So now, let's get our tape, our 90s, and then our piece of pipe. And what I want to do is put some tape around here, so we go ahead and put on this 90. All right, go ahead and get your 90 and your pipe. These do not fit perfectly. This is just stuff I had lying around. You can go ahead and get the correct adaptive fittings, but the tape is what's going to kind of give it that seal. So, again, you can do this pretty much with anything lying around. I will say the bigger diameter of the tubing or PVC that you're using is going to give us more airflow. So, not too pretty, but effective. All right, let's go check it out down here on the cooler. All right, so now we're going to put this 90 right down in through here and maneuver it down inside so it kind of sticks up here on top. just like that. All right, so this is what it'll look like on the inside. This is what it looks like on the inside. Just like that. Turn it if you want it. So just turn this around facing you, because this will be the direction of the ice. Come back out and show you here. That's the next 90. We're going to drop down in there, and you tape it where you want it. And of course you can spin this however you want it to. So let's go ahead and get this taped up. All right. As you can tell, I am sweating bullets. Can't wait to get this tried out and used here on Blue. So it's gonna be great. So let's check it out here and I'll show you what we got. All right, so this is what I was talking about. Again, it's not pretty, but it is effective, and you can literally turn it. You're driving over here on the driver's side, turn it to you. You want to be even, I guess, add more things, and go ahead and put a YT split. Go passenger and driver. All right, so now we go ahead and just place the fan. And I cut it to where it literally will sit right down inside like this. Just like that. Look at that, guys. Perfect. We are done. This didn't take me but no more than 10 minutes of my time. We have a homemade air conditioner. Let's go ahead and open her up and see what we did inside. So that's pretty much what it's going to look like. I'm going to go ahead and get this cleaned out. And ultimately, guys, here's why I chose this design here. All right, guys, we're all done. It took 10 minutes. I went ahead and opted in this, I guess, engineering style and on placement, because when this is in the center of my console here with me and the passenger, we both can still have room for our arms. We can go ahead and turn this how you want, and I have first-hand position on how I want this cooling speed, just driving down the road. And guess what, guys? Most importantly, check it out. Lift it right up, grab a cold soda, Dr. Pepper, Coke, Pepsi, whatever your choice is, and let's get cooling down the road. So stick around. I'm going to put some ice. I'm going to put a temperature up to it, let you guys see just how much this is going to drop. That's a wrap. We're pretty much all done here. Sitting inside the Blue. Got my new armrest here. Sitting right next to my truck AC. That is right. So let's come on in here. So let me go ahead and shut this door. And mind you, it's like 100 and something degrees outside. So I got it plugged in my DC outlet here. And of course, I'm just sitting in the garage on idle. And I don't have a perfect thermometer here, like, you know, a thermal temperature gun. But I had it plugged in for about 2 minutes before I came in and started to film, and this is what we're at right now inside the cab. So real quick, it's on, right, and I have it in front of the actual the unit here. So let me see if I can go ahead and get on in here and see it start dropping tremendously, guys. So you can see the temperature dropping. So right now at 78, which now what I need to do is just add a little bit more ice in here. I'll show you what I got, because it just dropped from like 100 something to 85 to 78 up in here. So go check it out. That is right, guys. We got a cooler full of Dr. Pepper on ice. I do need to put some more ice in here though to make the temperature change even more. This is just one small bag. I thought we had bigger ones here at our local store. So let's go ahead and check it. All right, look like we're at a 74, and that's what I am showing in my house. So with everything that we can kind of see, you know, in our homes here, with getting a good amount of kilowatts per hour and keeping at that energy efficient, 74 is a good temperature. But you know, I'm not going to complain. Again, it's over 100 degrees out here. I'm sitting in my garage. Doors are shut, and I'm literally just hanging out here with a cooler AC. So, not too bad. I'm going to go ahead and open it like I said. Grab you a beverage driving down the road. Make sure it's that soda or that bottle of water or whatever it is you're drinking. Hey guys, you know, I really do appreciate you following along. I appreciate the comments, the thumbs up, And like always, guys, you know, you're everything as far as what's part of my channel and why I continue to grow. So I appreciate all the tuning back in, especially hitting those bell notifications so you get all my future content. Again, you can go ahead and click on the Amazon link for the cooler and the fan. It'll take you right over to Amazon. We can check out and do this DIY. We got plenty of room over there, guys, for the passenger. I'm just hanging out in my garage in my cold AC truck. Until next time, guys, God bless.